Nowadays, every business wants to start their digital marketing because now audience or buyers are available online more. But before going ahead, you need to understand a lot of misconceptions are there around digital marketing. You need to understand misconceptions. You need to understand digital marketing, how it works. You need to understand how much you need to invest. What is most important aspect of digital marketing if you want real and prominent results in your business. So let's start. What is first thing that is important for your business when you consider digital marketing? I think every business owner or every business will agree with this, that they are looking for more profits, more customers. Every business has this particular single goal, that they need more customers, and that's why they are on digital media. So first phase of digital marketing, or before you even think about digital marketing, you have to sit down and write on paper that what is your exact specific goal which you want to achieve with digital marketing. How many customers you want, how many leads you want, and which kind of services and products you want to sell. You need to jot down on paper. You have to write that which kind of audience or which kind of buyer you want from your digital media campaign. You need to write down what is your sales goal. That you have to finalize first. Most important aspect of digital marketing is digital marketing game plan. If your digital marketing game plan is wrong or not going towards right direction, you may lose a lot of money, because many businesses think that just creating Facebook pages and bringing fans to those Facebook pages will give them customers. That's not the fact. You need to be clear about who are your target audience. You need to be very clear about what is your sales goal. You need to be very clear about at what cost you are going to sell that particular service and product. And you have to define your product and service. So first step is create amazing product that online viewer or online buyer will love to buy. Many businesses do this mistake. They just take the existing products and services and try to sell it online. And that's where they get either failure or they get average success. So you have to first design your product and service for online viewers or online buyers. Second thing, you have to have really clear calendar of your digital marketing. That means digital marketing game plan. How you are going to reach to that particular audience or your buyer, how you are going to create the content, what kind of product and services you are going to sell, and at what cost. By considering all these factors, you have to create digital marketing game plan. Without digital marketing game plan, if you go ahead and start creating presence on digital media, then you will just get very average results, not real results. Many times you have heard from many business owners that we have Facebook page, we have LinkedIn page, we have presence on Instagram, but we are not getting customers. The reason is that you are not ready with your goal, you are not clear with your goal, your digital products and services are not designed well, and you don't have digital marketing game plan. So this is the first step. Now second step is creating right digital marketing infrastructure. Your website. If you're buying website at low cost and just trying to create website based on templates or want to save the money on website, you will not get real results of digital marketing. You have to create website in such a way where your online viewers or visitors will stay on your website and buy from you. That's the goal of the website. Website is not just a digital brochure. So you should have right strategy about web designing or web development or digital infrastructure development for your services, for your business. So your digital infrastructure should be built on the basis of your sales goals. That is really, really important. Many people think that website is just a brochure, a digital brochure where I can just publish the information. But what if you will invest a lot of money in advertising and marketing, people will come to your website and then they will not buy from your website. Then you will lose a lot of money. So digital infrastructure. First, digital marketing game plan. Second, digital infrastructure. Now we are moving to third most important factor, which is content. Why people will love your content? Why people will love to consume your content? Why people will love to share your content? And why people will buy from you when they will see your content? You have to ask these important questions while creating content. Content is not just the graphics. Content is not just a text. Content is not just offers and discounts about your products or your product services highlights. Content is what people want. You have to understand what people want, and on the basis of that, you have to create the content. If you want to improve or if you want to attract right customers who will love to pay you more, you have to understand their bigger problem in their business or their life, which you can solve. And according to that, you have to create the content. Content is not advertising. Content is not your product highlights. Content is not what you're offering. Content is not discount. Content is the content which helps your target audience to solve their problem. So if you create every day the content which solve the problem of your target audience will start believing in you. And there is only one factor which is called trust, and trust can be built by giving, not by asking. Most of the business owners thinks that I will create graphics or videos where I am creating service product highlights, giving best discount, and at low cost I will sell my services and products. But that will not build a trust, and that's why your digital marketing or digital sales will always struggle. Now we are moving to fourth point. So first 3 points are digital marketing game plan, digital infrastructure, then digital content. Now fourth aspect is engagement. People buy from you when you start talking with them, start communicating with them. And communication means not spamming the timelines of social media or posting on social media. Communication means both entities, buyers and sellers, are talking. You are listening to buyer first, then you are talking. That's the sequence. You are creating graphics and you are creating videos and you are creating articles and posting it on social media across. That is just one-way communication. Here, your buyer is not involved. And unless in engagement or communication, buyer is not involved, then the chances of selling more on digital media will be very, very less. Most of the businesses are doing these mistakes. They are just creating the content from some agency or some designers or some content creators and posting it across all social media channels, and then they think that okay, I will get the customers, and they don't get the customers. Then they start blaming that okay, Facebook has changed the algorithm, Facebook is not giving enough visibility to me, Facebook wants me to pay for advertising more. These are all excuses. The simple reason for this is you have not created communication online. You have not created engagement online. So your digital engagement activity is major activity of lead generation. So these are 4 important aspects of every day attracting new and amazing customers who will pay you more and who will stay with you for a long time. I think that should be the goal of digital marketing, that attract the customers who will pay you worth and will stay with you for a long time. That will deliver the real growth in your business. And if you follow these 4 aspects of digital marketing, first is you should have right digital marketing strategy, digital marketing game plan. Second, digital infrastructure development. Third, digital content development, which your consumers will love, not you will love. Fourth, the digital engagement strategy, because the communication ends up with more closures, more sales. So you have to think about whether you're communicating with online audience or you are just distributing the content. Distributing the content, collecting fans and followers, creating graphics and spamming the timelines is not digital marketing. Consider all these four aspects of digital marketing. Check with your feasibility of whether you can do it. And by considering all these four aspects, think about digital marketing positively. If you have any queries about it, write to me on chetan@chetandeshpande.com. Thank you very much.